Are you thinking about ordering from Mason Blair? Hold on, before you hit that checkout button, let's uncover what's really going on behind this stylish-looking store. MasonandBlair.com promises trendy fashion, elegant jewelry, and must-have accessories at unbelievably low prices. But when a deal looks too good to be true, it usually is. After digging deeper, several red flags start to appear. The website was only registered in August 2025, even though it claims to have years of experience in the fashion world, which raises serious doubts about its credibility. Many of the product photos showcased on the site aren't original either. They appear to be copied directly from other online stores, suggesting the products you receive might not look like what's advertised. Then, there are the massive discounts, up to 80% off on nearly everything, which, while tempting, are often a common trick used by low-quality or drop-shipping sites to lure customers in. Their customer support is another concern. The only way to contact them is through a single email address, with no phone number or live chat for immediate help. That lack of transparency can make resolving issues difficult if your order goes wrong. Moreover, several buyers have shared negative experiences, complaining about poor product quality, shipping delays stretching for weeks, and items arriving from China that look completely different from the pictures online. Overall, Mason & Blair seems to be one of those trendy new websites that appear overnight with flashy marketing, but very little reliability to back it up. It's not necessarily an outright scam, but it's definitely a risky place to shop. If you value your money and peace of mind, you might want to think twice before placing that order and stick to verified, well-known stores instead.